Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you edit on CapCut app. So just go to CapCut app. Now on the CapCut app, here you can see in the top left your camera option. Just click on it. After clicking it, it will show your back camera. You can also change your camera just by clicking in the top right flip option. You can see time duration here. By swiping it, you can change your time by 3 minutes, 1 minute, or maybe 15 seconds. You can see right bottom album. Just by clicking it, it will lead you to your gallery. Here you can pick any photos or videos. Just click a photo or video like this. Here you can see an edit option which is in the bottom right. Just click on it. Now you can see you can edit this video as you will. You can see at top right 108p. Just click on it. Here you can see you can choose your code rate mbps, frame rate and resolution just by 2K or 4K. Now you can see a audio option which is in the bottom second one. Click on it. Now just click on sounds, the first one. You can add sounds on the video. You can also search songs or singers in the top search bar. Here you can see a plus option. Just by clicking it, you can add another video with this video. Just like this. Click on add in the top bottom right. Here you can see the video is added with this video. You can download it by clicking in the top right option. You can see the video is downloading. So guys, this is how can you edit video on CapCut. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.